Thanks to the benefits of this rare fruit, you can lose weight in a bestial way. In recent years, Garcinia cambogia has been popular with people looking to lose weight. Therefore, an extract or supplement is made from the fruit Garcinia cambogia, that is in the southeast of Asia. Fruit and bark extract is used to create a blend of ingredients that help you lose weight quickly. For centuries, various cultures have used Garcinia cambogia for all kinds of health problems and weight loss benefits. Numerous studies have been conducted on the effectiveness of Garcinia cambogia. Most studies have shown positive results. According to these studies, the fruit contains hydroxycitric acid or HCA, which improves your overall health and offers other benefits. HCA works in different ways to make a person lose weight. In simple terms, it suppresses appetite, inhibits the production of fat, and burns unwanted fat deposits in the body. In addition to this, HCA helps you control stress or emotional hunger. Does Garcinia cambogia work? There is no doubt that Garcinia cambogia is an effective weight loss supplement. It has been very popular because of its numerous health benefits. According to health and fitness experts, the supplement is natural, and therefore, does not cause any unnecessary side effects. The most important advantages of this supplement include: 1. Inhibits the conversion of calories into fat. Garcinia cambogia contains HCA, which is the most active ingredient in this weight loss supplement. It not only inhibits the conversion of calories into fat, but also improves your overall health. HCA blocks the production of an enzyme that slows down your metabolism. Because of this, your body converts excess calories into a substance called glycogen. It helps you build more muscles. Therefore, instead of becoming fat, excess calories in the body becomes a source of energy and builds muscles. 2. Improves lipid profile. Garcinia cambogia can also improve your lipid profile. Reduces the concentration of LDL in the blood. In addition to this, the concentration of HDL or good cholesterol increases. HCA directs your belly fat and improves your cardiovascular health. This can have a major impact on your overall weight. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family.